Hello, angels. Today we're going to be dressing like Monster High characters.
Calling in all divas. It's time to glitter up your day with Simona.
So, the fall season is upon us. It's basically here. It's almost October, probably October by the time I posted this. So, I was like, since I'm basically a live action Monster High character, why don't I do this video? If you guys are wondering, what are your credentials? I have been told that I look like a Monster High character multiple times in the last few weeks, and I have a Monster High pillowcase. I have a Monster High like sheet under my duvet. I have Monster High stuff all around my room. I grew up on Monster High, and then what I guess inspired the idea for this video is I posted a TikTok because of how I got comparisons to Monster High character, or like looking like a Monster High character. I posted a TikTok and I was like, everyone is either more of a Barbie person or more of a Monster High person. Which one do you think I am? And then everyone was like, Monster High, obviously, and whatever. And it got me thinking, I was like, what if I do this video? I thought that'd be so fun. And this could be a series where I show you guys how to dress like characters from different universes. Like, we could do Bratz, we could do Winx Club, Ever After High, totally Spies. I feel like that would be really fun. So, let's start with the essentials. I kind of threw everything on my bed, some stuff on my chair, to show you guys what I think is needed for if you are going to try to dress like a Monster High character. I associate furs, faux furs, the color purple, plaid, red with Monster High. So those are some of the skirts that we will be making outfits with. Also, I think animal print, that's also very Monster High, because hello. So yeah, and then I have some tops here that I want to make outfits with. I have a literal Monster High top. The colors black, pink, especially those two combined together. Skulls as like a motif, definitely. For belts, I'm thinking, of course, leopard, studs, things like that. For coats, I have a few that I want to style for this video, but they're at my boyfriend's place. I'm gonna put like pictures of them up on the screen. I have a leopard one at his place and my fur jacket. But it's okay, we still have some that we could work with. This leather jacket, this other fur jacket, and then this with the fur lined hood. And this baby fat purple jacket. And for shoes, I'm thinking, I don't know if I'll show them to you guys in each outfit just because of the angle and like the framing of the video. But for shoes, I think like Converse, boots, kind of like combat boots, boots that have fur and things like that. I'm out of breath. I just carried some of my shoes here. We have these, they're like Converse boots, high top platform Converse. And then I have these mucklucks. And then I have this really dusty pair. It's got pom-poms on the side. And then, of course, jewelry, hats, scarves. We'll see what I'll throw on later. I'm just showing kind of a brief example of what I do want to include in this video. But yeah, in general, I would say furs. The colors purple, black, red, pink, which is, I guess, the main colors that I wear. But I also just associate them with Monster High, so that's what we'll be doing. Plaids, skull motifs, fun belts, you get the vibe. And then for shoes, the ones I just showed you basically. So let's move on to the first outfit we'll be styling. What I want to do, oh, also tights. We will be styling tights in this video, and I feel like that, to me, I would associate it with like a Monster High type outfit. Anyways, I want to style this shirt. I love the skull on it, and it says Queen of Rock. It's really cute. So I'm thinking this with these knee-high socks. They're striped, pink and black. I feel like this would just be so perfect. I think I'm going to pair it with this one skirt I have in mind. This is the outfit so far. The thigh-high socks. I'm going to add this belt on maybe. I'm leaving the sleeves kind of scrunched because my bracelets are above them. And these are the socks. I'm going to back up my tripod a bit to show you guys. Is this a little bit better? I hope so. You guys can see my messy bed, but These are the clothes for the video. Okay, that's why they're there. But this is the outfit so far. I feel like this is really cute, kind of Draculaura meets, I don't know, Draculaura, but a little bit more edgy maybe. Here's a close up. What I usually do with if the belt kind of goes out like that is I safety pin it there where the buckles are. But since it's for the video, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going to be doing that because we have a lot of outfits to try on. So yeah, this is outfit number 1. I love this. I would probably rate it like a 9.5 out of 10, and I think all these outfits earn me 9s because I love this. This is so cute, and this whole style is me. This would be really fun. I feel like for a concert, I feel like all these outfits would probably be good concert outfits, to be honest. And then I could throw a jacket over this, but I won't because I feel like the sleeves, they add a lot of detail, so I'm not gonna add a jacket. Either one I feel like would go with it though. Maybe I'll style this purple skirt next. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do this. I want to style it with that one white sweater, but I literally wore that outfit already. I'm gonna put a picture up somewhere or like a little video or something. That was a fun outfit. But we're gonna do something different today. I think I'm gonna pair the skirt with this top. And there's also a leopard print detailing. And it's sparkly. So, of course, we love that. Let's do that. And then I was debating purple tights. Maybe that's too much purple though. This is the next outfit so far. Also, I haven't been showing you guys what shoes I would style with these outfits. But basically, all of the shoes I showed you guys at the beginning of the video would go. Here's an up close. I think we're gonna try a jacket on with this. I'm thinking my fur one. Whenever you're wearing like a little skirt, I feel like a big jacket is just so cute. So, yeah, I think I would go with this jacket. So, yeah, this is outfit number 2. This one I would rate a little bit lower, maybe a 9. I want to style this Monster High top. It can't be a how to dress like a Monster High character video without a Monster High top, in case it's not obvious enough that you look like a Monster High character. It's like confirmation. So we're gonna do this. I kind of want to wear it with this fur trim skirt. Oh, by the way, if it's okay, what I'm wearing is all thrifted. If it's not thrifted, I'll mention. For the first outfit, this little set is from Amazon. Everything else thrifted. This skirt I made. I was supposed to have a video that was kind of like a tutorial, like the journey video of how I made this skirt because it was like a whole outfit I made. That's not up on my channel. This skirt I made, I have a video up on my channel of me making it if you want to see it. Anyways, so yeah, next up at this. And I'm thinking of wearing the other brown jacket that has the fur hood. Let's try it on. So far, this is probably my least favorite. I don't know why. I don't know, something feels a little bit off about this outfit. Maybe it's the belt. Maybe I'm trying to match the pinks too much. I don't know. The outfit was feeling a little bit simple, and the belt, I wasn't feeling it. I switched it to this belt, which is my default. This gets slapped onto every outfit I wear almost every day. I put my little gloves on because I thought it would add an accessory because the outfit looked so boring. And I'm going to add these earmuffs. I kind of want to try this jacket on with the outfit. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? The little like model like sped up thing of the outfits. Shit. I didn't do that. That sucks. Anyways, this is the outfit on now. I'm gonna have to look in the mirror. I don't know if I like the jacket with this. The jacket's cute, but I feel like I like the outfit more without it. It's probably just not the right jacket. Maybe a leather jacket would be better, actually. Yeah, I think I like this more. So this is the final outfit. For the next outfit, I'm going to be styling this skirt that I made from a pair of pants. And I'm going to be wearing it with, I think, this black long sleeve. And I might layer this tank top on top of it. This is the outfit so far. This is pretty cute. Okay, I'm going to look in the mirror. Oh, you know what, actually? I probably should have styled the bag with all the outfits, but whatever. This one I also made from a pair of jeans. I'll show you guys an up close. But this bag, I made it for the same outfit as I did with this skirt, where I like filmed the video and haven't posted it. So if I can find the footage, I'll try to edit that for you guys. It's probably been like half a year since I made those pieces and filmed the video, but anyway, this is one of my favorite outfits. I just looked in the mirror. This is for me like a 9.7. I love this. I think we're gonna end it at this outfit. How many did we do? 4? I think. If we want to do a part 2, I will do a part 2. But I got places to be. The semester started back up, and it's a struggle. I think I didn't really style the jackets much with these outfits, just because the outfits were so cute. This is my problem with fall, winter coming up. It's like I just want to wear little skirts, and I don't want to wear like pants. I don't like pants. And now it's getting colder. I don't know how I'm gonna dress, you guys. So yeah, with a lot of these outfits, I just felt like the jackets were like covering the outfit, which I wasn't a fan of. Every time I tried on a jacket, I feel like I just took it off and preferred the outfit without it. Maybe when I make a part 2, I'll be more comfortable with the idea of wearing like jackets and pants, and that could be incorporated in the second part. If they ever did another Monster High live action, and if they did it well, I would love to be a part of it. I feel like it would be really fun to help with the costume design. Elizabeth is my twin. I'm gonna probably be her for Halloween this year. I still have to make her costume. And I feel like I'm so late on this because I want to do 3 costumes and I have to make them all. So I'm a little stressed because I also have school assignments and all this other stuff I have to do. But, anyways, yeah, I feel like it would be so fun to be a part of a Monster High live action if that ever happened again. That would be, that is my dream. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys enjoy the outfits. Let me know which outfit is your favorite if you want a part 2. Let me know what else you guys want to see for this series. I want to do Bratz. Maybe Bratz next. I definitely want to do Bratz Ever After High. Wings Club.